In this video, we are solving question from GATE 2022 Electronics branch. So we are given two signals. X1 of t is given to us as e to the power minus t u of t, where u of t is a unit step signal. U of t is the unit step signal. So we all know what is a unit step signal. And x2t is given as u of t minus u of t minus 2. So these two signals x1t and x2t are given to us. And it says that y of t denotes the convolution of x1t and x2t. So y of t is given as the convolution of x1t and x2t. So now we have to find limit t tends to infinite y of t. See, so we have to apply the final value theorem, because when t is infinite, then it is the final value theorem. So the final value theorem is given as limit t tends to infinite y of t is equal to limit s tends to 0 s dot y of s, where y of s is the Laplace transform. Now if we take the Laplace transform of y of s, then it will come out as y of s is equal to x1 of s into x2 of s, because convolution in time domain is equal to the multiplication in frequency domain. See, this is the convolution in time domain, so it is equal to multiplication in frequency domain. Now we can easily find x1 of s. So x1 of s will be equal to 1 upon s plus 1, because it is e to the power minus t u of t. So the Laplace transform for u of t is 1 upon s, and e to the power minus t is in multiply with it. So it will be equal to x1 upon s plus 1. And the Laplace transform for x2 of s will be equal to, the Laplace transform for this x2 signal will be equal to 1 upon s minus e to the power minus 2s upon s. Because it is u of t minus 2, so its Laplace transform will be 1 upon s minus e to the power minus 2s upon s. The Laplace transform for u of t is 1 upon s, and the Laplace transform for u of t minus 2 is e to the power minus 2s upon s. So this will be equal to 1 upon s 1 minus e to the power minus 2s. So we have found out x1 of s and x2 of s. Now we simply have to multiply them to get y of s. So y of s will be equal to 1 upon s plus 1 into 1 minus e to the power minus 2s. We just have to multiply x1 of s and x2 of s. So we have got y of s. Now we just have to apply the final value theorem. So let me remove it. So this will be equal to limit s tends to 0. Put y of s value from here, s dot 1 minus e to the power minus 2s upon s plus 1. The s in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled, so we can cancel this. And when we put s equal to 0, then when we put s equal to 0 here, the denominator will become 1. Then 1 minus, when we put s equal to 0 here, so this will become e to the power 0. So this will be equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So the correct answer is 0. So in this way we can easily solve it. See, whenever the question says us to apply the final value theorem or the initial value theorem, then we just have to take the Laplace transform, because Laplace transform makes applying the final value theorem or initial value theorem easy. This is the final value theorem. If I have to write initial value theorem, then it is equal to limit t tends to 0. I am writing the initial value theorem. Y of t is equal to limit s tends to infinity s dot y of s. So this is the initial value theorem and this is the final value theorem. So in this question it was asked the final value at t tends to infinity, so we applied the final value theorem. So I hope the solution was clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck.